Imagine this. You are a woman that most men find attractive. You have options and can likely get any man you want. How would that make you feel? Now imagine this. You are a woman who is chasing a man. You are desperately trying to get his attention, and you are constantly doing things to try and make him like you more. Does that make you feel good? The answer is likely no, because when you chase a man, you are putting yourself in a position of insecurity and neediness. By the end of this video, you will know the 10 reasons why you should never chase a man and what you should do instead to make him chase you. So if you really want to improve your love life and find a lasting relationship, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. We'll try our best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's start. Number 10. Chasing a man makes you look desperate. When you chase a man, it makes you look desperate, and desperation is not an attractive quality. Men are attracted to confident women who know what they want and go after it. When you chase a man, you send the message that you don't believe that you're good enough for him. You're not confident that he wants to be with you, and that's not appealing to men. If you want to catch a man's attention and keep his interest, the best thing to do is focus on your own life and let him come to you. For example, if you're interested in a guy, don't start texting him all the time or stalking his social media. That will just make him think you're desperate and he'll lose interest. Instead, text him once in a while and let him be the one to text you back most of the time. This way, you come across as busy and confident, and he'll be more likely to chase you. Number 9. It affects your self-esteem. One of the main reasons why you should never chase a man is because it can negatively affect your self-esteem. When you put your own happiness in the hands of another person, you are essentially giving them the power to control how you feel about yourself. If they return your affection, you feel elated and validated. However, if they don't feel the same way, you're left feeling rejected and unworthy. Over time, this constant cycle of chasing and being rejected can take a serious toll on your self-esteem. In addition, chasing someone who isn't interested also gives them a sense of power over you. They know they can string you along without ever having to fully commit, and this can make them feel superior to you. In contrast, when you focus on your own happiness and invest in yourself, you send the message that you're confident and worth pursuing. So instead of chasing him, let him chase you. Number 8. It makes them lose respect for you. This might sound harsh, but it's the truth. When you always chase a man, it makes him lose respect for you. They see you as someone who is willing to do anything to get their attention, and that is not attractive. This behavior will only push them away and make them less likely to want to be in a relationship with you. Imagine if the roles were reversed and you were the one constantly being pursued by someone who you weren't interested in. It would be annoying, right? You would likely lose respect for that person because of their desperation. The same goes for men. So if you want to make him respect you, don't chase him all the time and make him feel like you are not dying for his attention. Number 7. Men love the challenge. This is backed up by research. Studies have consistently shown that men are more attracted to women who are a challenge, as opposed to those who are easy to get. The science behind it is that men are hardwired to want to pursue and conquer. When you make yourself too available, you take away the challenge and excitement of the chase. As a result, he'll quickly lose interest. On the other hand, when you're a challenge, it makes him want to work harder to win your affection. This will make him feel more invested in the relationship, and he's more likely to stick around in the long run. Number 6. They will take you for granted. We're not saying that all men are like this, but some men will definitely take you for granted if you chase them all the time. They know that they don't have to work hard to win your affection, and they'll start to see you as someone who is always going to be there no matter what. For example, if you're always the one texting first or making plans, he'll start to assume that you'll always be available when he wants to see you. As a result, he won't feel the need to put in as much effort, and he may even start taking you for granted. If you want a man who will appreciate you, set clear boundaries and don't chase him all the time. Number 5. You are not prioritizing yourself. Imagine spending all that time and energy chasing a man who may or may not be interested in you. Now imagine what you could have accomplished if you had channeled that energy into something more productive, like your career or hobbies. When you're always chasing a man, you're not prioritizing yourself. You're putting your own happiness in the hands of someone else, and that's never a good idea. Focus on bettering yourself and living your best life. When you do that, the right man will come along, and he'll gladly want to be a part of your life. Number 4. You are missing out on other opportunities. Did you know that there are almost 8 billion people in the world, and you're chasing after just one of them? When you spend all your time chasing a man, you're missing out on the opportunity to meet other great guys. There's someone out there who would love nothing more than to have you in his life, but you'll never know if you don't put yourself out there. Some of you might say, "I'm not good looking enough, I don't have enough to offer," or "I'm skinny or fat," etc. But let me tell you, no one is perfect. Everyone has something special to offer, and there's someone out there who will appreciate you for exactly who you are. Yes, some men are visual creatures and are only interested in looks, but there are plenty of men who are looking for more than just a pretty face. So stop telling yourself that you're not good enough and give yourself permission to be open to other opportunities. Number 3. You will eventually get hurt. That's right, you will eventually get hurt if you don't stop chasing someone who's not interested in you. It's only a matter of time before your self-esteem and confidence take a hit, and it's not worth it. Even if they are giving you hope or sending mixed signals, it's not worth getting your hopes up only to be disappointed in the end. It might seem like you're in control when you're the one doing the chasing, but you're actually putting yourself in a very vulnerable position. For example, when they are not fully invested in the relationship, they can easily walk away without any consequences. But if you're the one who's always putting in the effort, you'll be left feeling heartbroken and alone. And we all know that heartbreak is never fun. Number 2. Some men will take advantage of you. Let's be honest, some men will take advantage of you if they know that you're always chasing them. They'll use you for your attention, your time, and your resources without ever giving anything back in return. Both physically and emotionally, you will end up getting hurt if you allow yourself to be used in this way. So it's important to be aware of the signs that a man is taking advantage of you, such as always asking for favors but never returning them, or constantly canceling plans but still expecting you to be available when they want to see you. If you see any of these red flags, it's time to walk away before you get hurt. Number 1. You deserve better. This is probably the most important reason why you should never chase a man. You deserve better than to be constantly chasing someone who's not interested in you. You deserve someone who will appreciate you, cherish you, and love you for exactly who you are. And you'll never find that if you're always chasing after someone who's not interested. We know the word chasing can be a little misleading. After all, you're not actually running after them, but it can feel that way sometimes. The truth is, when you're always the one doing the pursuing, it's easy to forget your own worth. But you need to remember that you deserve to be with someone who will love and respect you, not someone who will put you through the ringer emotionally. So if you find yourself constantly chasing after a man, ask yourself if he's really worth your time and energy. This is something you need to be honest with yourself about. If the answer is no, then it's time to move on and find someone who will appreciate you for exactly who you are. We know it's not easy to let go of someone you care for, but trust us, it's for the best. And who knows, the man of your dreams might be right around the corner. Now you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to know if you have chemistry with someone. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.